Hi, I'm Jacob Morgan with MIT, and today I'll be showing you our new product line of tube tacking clamps. Tube tacking clamps are typically used for any sanitary tubing application. We offer a kit that comes with 1 inch all the way up to 4 inch. We also sell these individually and even offer an option up to 6 inch in size. This is the 2-inch tacking clamp. It's a hinged design which allows you to easily put your tubes in, line them up in the center. It locks down with just 1 turn. It has 2 windows for you to do your tacking, and the locking pin on top is even removable for when you're in a tight place. All right, so on using this tacking clamp, what I usually do is put it on the first piece that I'm going to use it on, and I just kind of get it on here and get it loosely on there so it's easy to move. I'll take my other piece, can wiggle her in there, and then I line this up so it's nice and in the center there where I can use it, get it tight. Now we've got it lined up, now we tack. So what you want to do is take your torch, just like you normally would, put it straight up and down. Okay, so then you'll want to do the back side as well, and it's the same concept. We'll go down underneath here, straight on. Just like that. So now we've tacked 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So then what we'll do is, now we've got it nice and steady, we'll loosen this up and we're going to rotate this around to where we can do 3 and 9. So we can have our nice 4 tacks on it. Tying it back down just like that. In just a matter of a couple tacks. Now that we are finished, you can see we have 4 tacks on a flush smooth joint that is ready to be orbitally welded. If you have any questions about our tube tacking clamps, drop them in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more or purchase one of these kits, please contact us at 417-485-4575 and one of our team members will gladly assist you.